Today we're making kedgeree. Trixie's going to help. Flynn's behind the camera with his dad. Lou's chopping and hoeing and mowing. It's a real family affair. We've heated some oil. Put the mustard seeds in, please. So kedgeree was...
All of it?
All of it, yeah. Kedgeree originated in India, and when the British colonialists lived there, you can give it a little stir and it starts to pop, we know they're ready. And when the colonialists lived there, the British colonialists, they really sort of got into the whole kedgeree thing because it reminded them sort of of nursery food. Nowadays, we eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Anything goes. See, look like fairy popcorn. Okay, in quick with it. There, don't jump away, you Nana. Don't be scared. There we go. So we've got mustard seeds and we've got onions. So Trix pasta, garlic, please love. Yeah. And the ginger. Fab. And the curry powder. We just used ordinary sort of Cape Malay curry powder, but leaf masala is fine. Not too strong. You want to put a little bit of chili in, you certainly can. What about the curry leaves, love? Do you want to just strip them off there? That's it. Fair. Not the stalk. Beautiful. So if you haven't got fresh curry leaves, well, sorry for you. You can use dried ones or none at all. The bad thing about curry leaves is they make everything taste like fresh curry. So it really is worth investing in a little treat for your garden. Okay, now the tomatoes, babe. Quite like this little helper story. Bit of stock there, Trix, and then you can squeeze half a lemon in. Catch the pips between your fingers. We'll have her cooking in no time. She's going to be like Jamie Oliver's son, hey buddy. He's doing his own show. You should go to gym class. Quite a hard lemon. There we go. Okay, cool. And now you can get the haddock. In the UK, where haddock's really popular, they usually use cod. And it's not usually orange, it's just, can be smoked, can be unsmoked. It's very delicious. All right, so give that a stir. It's fish, so you want to cook it sort of quite delicately, otherwise it's all going to fall apart. I want to put a lid on this for about 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and we'll just leave it to do its thing. Here we go. Now you're going to get me the rice. I went slowly. So like just in bits. Okay, so now we're going to just gently incorporate, turn it right down, the rice into the kedgeree. I've cooked these lentils from dry, but you can definitely use a packet of lentils, that's cool too. I'm going to just toss some coriander in, I'm just going to break it. Don't leave the stalks out, we love the stalks, all the flavours in the stalks. Just toss that through. Where's that put it in? When it's in quarters, yeah. Excellent. Thank you. So boiled eggs are a must, and they're completely delicious. And there we have it. Kedgeree.
This one's not doing too well.
That's fine. Made by Justine and Trixie. That's better. Have fun.